Okay, today we're going to change the bar end mirrors on this bike. Or actually put bar end mirrors on it. Remove the stock ones. Well, there's the first one. That was easy. This one's not being as easy. There we go. Good thing these probably won't go back on because I just dropped that one. Now let's remove these bar ends. It's 5 mil Allen. Yep, 5 mil Allen. They're on there pretty good. It doesn't look like these bar ends are going to work though. Maybe. It's going to look really funny though. It looks like I might have to order the Rhino Moto ones. Unless these ends come right out. Oh, they do. Looks like they come right out. Well, let's see if that's the case. Yep, looks like it. That's different. Now that's quite annoying. The end that splits open to secure the bar end in is not threading in properly now. Oh, there we go. Took a bit, but now it's threading in. These bar ends came with two separate sleeves, and it doesn't look like it's going to work with both on there, because the bigger one is too thick. It won't go in. Wow. Try squishing in the ends a bit. Still won't go in there. I might have to bang it in. But if I bang it in, I might wreck the threads in the bar end, in the bar. Should probably be doing this with a hammer, but yeah, I don't know if that's going to work properly, and then getting that out after will be a pain. Oh yeah. Wow. Yeah, that doesn't work. That didn't work out too well there. But with that threaded piece that they have inside the bars, like I think this is like a bar weight. It'll look funny because it'll show that silver on the outside. Well, after a little bit of debate and deliberation, it's going to go the ugly way for now, and then I'm going to have to order those Rhino Moto bar ends, the ones that go right into there, so that it doesn't look as bad. It shows with these bar ends, it shows the little piece of steel, like the insert there. It just doesn't look right. I already did the other side, but that's the way it has to go. With the universal adapters that it comes with, it just doesn't fit. It won't even go in. I don't want to wreck the threads on the inside, so it's going to have to be with this way. And the bar ends that came with these mirrors aren't very good anyways. Paint's already chipping off of them, so poor quality bar ends. Now, these were very, very cheap, these mirrors, so can't complain about that. The actual mirror itself seems like it's fairly well done. I think I paid $18 US for them. And that's for the pair with the bar ends, so I mean, as opposed to these do say CRG on them, but I'm having my doubts that they're actual CRG mirrors. But for the price, can't complain too much. The quality of the mirror actually seems decent. Getting these so that the screws line up properly, so you don't strip them by cross threading them. It's kind of a pain, but should have bought my ratchet with the Allen. This side seems like it's getting tighter than the other one. Not moving. It seems tight. It's just that screw didn't go as far as the other one did. Now all I have to do is really adjust this one. I'm done. Tighten this inside section a little bit. that's solid. Now just adjusting it. I think that's good there, but now it seems like it's loose. It's not moving now, looks like, anyways. Give it a final snug. Should be good. Snug this bolt up a little bit more. That should be good. Yeah, that's good. Looks a lot better than before. Give you a close up. There's a close-up look at it. Doesn't look too bad. And you can see that little bare aluminum piece there in between the bar end and the grip. And I think that's, I don't know, it just doesn't look that great, so I might end up having to get the Rhino Moto bar ends that screw right into the bars on the Aprilia. That's what it looks like on the bar from behind. A lot better than having those rabbit ears sticking up. So I guess that's it. And we'll see you again.